Moms, if you need a bottle warmer, then I would suggest Grownsy. This is super easy to use and very helpful. So all you have to do is remove this from the inside. This is like this, you remove it, and you're gonna see inside that it has a max line and a minimum line. So you want to add water to the max line, and everything else is you add it here, you press the M, and let's say if you have the bottle at the refrigerator, you want to select this option, and then you go here, let's say you have a glass baby bottle, and then here you select the ounces. Other than that, you press this button and it will warm it up, and it will be ready to give to your baby. You just clean it with a soft cloth and a little bit of water. I don't think there's necessary to use a lot of soap or chemicals, but this is very useful. Obviously, you connect it to the power and it's going to help you feed your little one faster. Thank you for watching.